guys, this is Alicia Batra from Prop Checkmate and welcome to my channel Real Estate with Alicia. Imagine leaving Delhi 20 minutes later being dropped right at the base of a tower in Sector 150 Noida. You step into the lift gets opened not into any corridor but straight into your apartment. No sharing of the lobby, no waiting around and not bumping into anyone on the way to it. Well, that's not any scene of a sci-fi film but something that Prateek Groups is actually bringing to life in Sector 150 Noida. But before all of this, there's something that deserves more notice and worth acting upon quickly, that is EOI. Expression of interest of this project is going to open soon and the expected price is going to be 18,000 per square foot. And to reserve your seat over here, click on the link mentioned in the description and you will find the priority access. The best part, you do not even have to pay any payment upfront but still can get a priority access with the same price offered right now. Only 442 exclusive residences spread across 12 acres of land parcel. Imagine the kind of exclusivity we are talking about here. There's something that's actually bothering me these days, and that is the word luxury being thrown out so casually. I mean, swimming pool is designed, luxury. Clubhouse comes up, luxury. Double height lobby designed, again luxury. Now imagine if amenities let alone define the word luxury in real estate, then every project would qualify. But that's not a point because luxury isn't even same for two different buyers. I mean, for one, it is measured in minutes, like how far is the airport, how close is the home to its workplace, and for the other person, it could be completely different, like the kind of view they get when they go to the balcony or open the windows of the home. Quiet, peaceful surroundings, green and open views. Well, I measured luxury in a simpler manner. I see what 3 BHK or 4 BHK I'm getting is attached to, what is the view from the balcony, how is the landscaping and the kind of clubhouse I'm getting into the community. Well, interiors of the house can be changed whenever and in any manner that the owner wants, but what is not changeable, that is the view that you get from the window, the elevator that you're going to use every single day. So this is something that at least I define as a luxury, and that's something that we're going to focus upon when I'll be talking about the project by Prateek Group. The name behind Noida's landmark developments like Prateek, Stylom, Edifice and Canary is coming up with a new ultra luxury project in Sector 150 Noida. Well, official name is yet to be revealed, but the finer details have been placed. Roughly 12 acres is going to be developed. 442 exclusive residences. The structure is gonna be stilt plus 32 floors, and on each floor there is gonna be only 2 apartments. Let's talk about the sizes now. 3 BHK with servant quarter, approximately 2800 to 2900 square feet. 4 BHK with the servant quarter, 3800 to 3900 square feet, and on the top a set of signature penthouses has been reserved. Floor to floor height is 11 feet, which is taller than what you see elsewhere, and on the top, that is 30th, 31st and 32nd, it has gone up to 12 feet. I'll provide you a brief on the developer's background now. Over 20 plus years been into the business, Prateek has delivered 20 million plus square feet to 50,000 families, and recently a penthouse at Prateek Edifice was sold at whopping amount of 25 crores, making it one of the largest residential transactions of Noida. So Prateek is not just a name entering into the market, but it is a developer with an actual delivery record. Now let's dig deep into the project. For every 2 apartments, 5 lifts have been installed. That means 2 private lifts for each apartment. Access controlled through face recognition, and the face is scanned. Lift opens directly into the apartment, not into the corridor. And the 5th lift is kept separate. That means it is used for service, staff, deliveries and staff, and the access is controlled through an OTP. That means the delivery person gets up only when he or she is allowed. Now the major outcome that we get from here is that the wait for lift essentially disappears. I mean, lot of times it has happened that we wait for the lift to arrive, we have to get somewhere, and the major thing that we face is that lift does not come on time, or there are too many people waiting for the lift, and then there are a lot of stops in between. But in this case, because each floor is having 2 apartments and each apartment is having 2 private lifts, then you can imagine that there is no wait for a lift. I think that's kind of a luxury that I personally would prefer and would love, and that is something that I would term as a luxury because there is no waiting time for me. Best part, finishes also matches the ambition. Imported marble have been used all across drawing and dining spaces. The bedrooms get wooden flooring. VRV system is installed. And in the bathroom, the fittings from the brands like Toto have been installed. And now let me talk about the location. Sector 150 Noida, what it is actually. Now of all the sectors of Noida, this one is probably the least dense. Greenery over here is prioritized and the roads are wider. So the development over here is planned and not led to sprawl. That is the reason why this address is now considered to be most premium in the whole of NCR. Connectivity is already solid. 3 expressways connect directly to this sector. IGI airport can be reached in about 45 minutes. Jewar, Noida International Airport are still closer, like just 30 minutes away. And here's the best part. Even if the journey starts from Noida or in Delhi, there is a direct road leading towards its sector. That means the internal traffic can be avoided completely. But here's a bigger shift underway. Yamuna Pushta Corridor, Noida's next big expressway that could rewrite what this location actually means. An 8-lane elevated expressway has been planned, starting from DND, running along the Pushta Road, then passing through Sector 94 and 95, and then 125 through 135, and then 150, and then finally connecting to Yamuna Expressway. The provision has already been made for up to 10 lanes, and now imagine once this gets operational, no red lights, none of Noida's internal traffic, and Sector 150 could be reached in just 20 minutes. Now the next part is my personal favorite, land parcel and the views. Now this part is counted among the last premium corner plots still left in Sector 150, and the way it has been designed, a wide angle L shape, so that every residence gets an openness of 360-degree views. Not any of these towers faces any window, not from any direction. On the one side, horizon view, then comes the green, then comes the Yamuna river, and past that the open horizon. And even from the first floor, 11 kilometers of the visibility can be seen, and on the top at least 40 to 45 kilometers. And the view keeps changing throughout the seasons. Like for example, during monsoons, enjoy the rains falling over the greens with a chai in hand from your balcony, and in the winters, a layer of fog will settle over the rivers, and the migratory birds pass through here during their time. And because the building faces east to west, so the natural light keeps moving from morning to evening through the built-in cross ventilation. On the second side, the cricket stadium, nothing obstructing it, nothing crowding it. And on the third side is where things get genuinely interesting. Prateek Group is designing a separate project just beside it, which is the sports and wellness complex, having FIFA-size ground, table tennis, squash, pickleball, paddle courts, gym, spa, trainers rated at national and international levels. And now imagine sports ecosystem sitting right in front of the door. Now this sports and wellness complex is a completely different project of Prateek, but the residents of the project can get access to this one on the membership basis. Pratik's own project, The Cannery, sitting in Sector 150 itself, is trading at 19,000 per square foot, and the possession is in 2027. And now imagine, once the possession comes in 2027, we are expecting the same price to go up to 25,000 per square foot, and on the same location, rarer land parcel, same developer, you're getting a price of 18,000 per square foot. Luxury redefined in Sector 150, Noida. Now let's talk about something that matters the most again, which is the expression of interest. Now when expression of interest opens, then only we'll be able to get the exact price and the payment plans. They all will be revealed at that time. You have to understand the process of registration to reserve your seat in the priority access. I have mentioned the link in the description. Click on that link, fill in the basic details and reserve your seat for the priority access, because the location itself speaks for the project and everything, and I think that is the main kind of luxury we are talking about here. And if you need any other kind of help, reach out to me. The number is mentioned below. I'll be able to help you to fill in the registration form so that you could secure a priority access when the EOI opens. Okay guys, so this was the information about Pratik Group's upcoming ultra luxury project in Sector 150 Noida. This is Alicia Batra from PropCheckMate on the channel Real Estate with Alicia, signing off. See you in the next video guys.